I've given 6 attempts at the UPSC Civil Services exam, and in those 6 attempts, I've cleared prelims 4 times, and I've cleared the exam 2 times. Once in 2017, and once in 2018, where I got into the reserve list. Now, in all of these 6 attempts, in the entire time that I spent over here, there were a lot of things जो मैं by force सीखा, गलती कर करके धीरे धीरे over time. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the things that I wish I knew in my first attempt, because they would have made my life a little easier and maybe my journey a little shorter. So let's get started. The first and most important thing is that UPSC preparation is boring. Boring क्यों? You will be doing the same things over and over again for months on end. Sometimes, if you're giving multiple attempts, years on end. What do I mean when I say the same things? सेम लक्ष्मीकांत की किताब आप 10 बार पढ़ोगे एंड छिक जाओगे पढ़ पढ़ के, मन करेगा कि इसको मैं जला के कहीं फेंक दूं, but that is what it is. That is what brings success in civil services exam. You will have to write. You will have to write a lot, and not just write. You will have to rewrite. गलतियां करोगे, उन गलतियों को दोबारा लिख के देखोगे, सीखोगे, and that is what will lead to success in the civil services exam. And the sooner you recognize this, the easier it will be for you. It is not going to be easy. It is going to be boring, and if you can deal with boring, you will find success. The second important thing I wish I knew is that you won't complete the syllabus. आप at best 90 to 95% of the syllabus complete कर पाओगे, and that means that no matter how many books you read, no matter what resources, what institute का books, XYZ कुछ भी कर लो, वो last 5 to 10% will be left. There is nothing that you can do about it, and you have to live with that sense of incompleteness. क्योंकि अब तक क्या होता है, in schools and colleges we have been given a complete syllabus that इसी चीज से पेपर आएगा, but this is not true for UPSC. UPSC में क्या होता है, random कुछ भी सवाल आ जाता है, and there is no set resource from which you can prepare. इसके बीच में there are two simple sources of the truth. Number one is the syllabus itself, and a lot of people have not done this. They have not just read the syllabus. They are thinking and hoping कि भाई कहीं ना कहीं किसी इंस्टीट्यूट का कुछ वीडियो देख के कर लेंगे. Go and read the syllabus. And the second most important thing that you have to keep in mind is previous year questions. These two things, syllabus and PYQs, are the only sources of information about this exam. Anything else on top of this is an opinion. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एंड सिलेबस सिर्फ ये दो चीज आपको बताती हैं कि इस एग्जाम में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज एन ओपिनियन. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, व्हिच इज ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स आर नॉट इक्वल. व्हाट डज दिस मीन? देयर इज अ प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स. देयर इज अ वेरी सिंपल आइडिया कि अगर आपने पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमी, जियोग्राफी, हिस्ट्री ये सब्जेक्ट्स नहीं करे हैं, तो आपको टेंशन नहीं लेनी है साइंस एंड टेक की, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेनी है एथिक्स की, आपको टेंशन नहीं लेनी है एंशिएंट एंड मिडीवल की. दीज आर ऑल थिंग्स दैट कम लेटर. प्रायोरिटी इज दिस सब्जेक्ट. 80-20 रूल एक बहुत सिंपल सा आइडिया होता है दैट 80% ऑफ योर रिजल्ट्स कम फ्रॉम 20% ऑफ योर एफर्ट्स. These are the 20% of those subjects. Even within these subjects, as you go on, as you read them, you'll realize कि हर सब्जेक्ट में कुछ कोर एरियाज हैं जहां से बार बार क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पॉलिटी में बार बार आपका प्रेसिडेंट से रिलेटेड, आपका स्पीकर से रिलेटेड, पार्लियामेंट से रिलेटेड, इन चीज़ों से बार बार जब सवाल आ रहे हैं, तो माई जॉब इज टू प्रायोरिटाइज माई एफर्ट. आई कांट जस्ट बी लाइक कि मैं हर सब्जेक्ट को इक्वल टाइम दूंगा. नहीं, आप उस सब्जेक्ट को उतना ही टाइम दोगे जितना उसका वेटेज है, जितना उसका एग्जाम में इंपॉर्टेंस है, which is why all subjects are not equal. And in all of this, there's one more important thing that you have to remember. शॉर्टकट के लिए आपको बहुत सारे पीडीएफ्स मिलेंगे. आपको पीडीएफ्स मिलेंगे which will say कि ये पढ़ लो बस, इस सब्जेक्ट के लिए हो जाएगा, सब सही है, इससे बाहर कुछ नहीं आएगा. All of that is misleading you, and you have to keep in mind that people who try to save hours, कि भाई कुछ घंटे में बचा लूँ वो पीडीएफ करके instead of reading the books, they end up wasting years in number of attempts. So keep that in mind the next time you're trying to figure out कि अच्छा that PDF might help. Read the basic books. Coming to the next idea, which is get used to failing. School में क्या होता था that if you fail, you are considered a failure, right? It was a judgment on you because that's how the schooling system worked. In civil services exam preparation, you have to get used to failing. You have to get used to the idea of controlled failure. Controlled failure का क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे? That I want to try and test things. I want to try and see कि अच्छा मैं प्रीलिम्स में 90 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करता हूं तो क्या होता है, अगर मैं 60 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करता हूं तो क्या होता है. दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल्ड फेलियर और एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन is absolutely important for your civil services exam preparation. And ये experimentation आपको खुद के लिए करना है. Nobody else can come and tell you कि this is the only thing that works. There are 100 different ways to clear this exam. There are people who will say कि I gave 5 tests. There are people who will say I gave 100 tests. There are people who will say I gave no tests and cleared it. There is no set path. And so long as you are not trying to find your path, you will not make it. The person who is trying, the person who is failing, who is actively seeking out कि भाई गलती कहाँ कहाँ हो सकती है, that is the person that will find success. Which brings us to the next point, which is that you need to be a pro. You need to be a professional. What does a professional mean? A professional is somebody who shows up to work every day. If you're doing a job, आप बिना बात की छुट्टी नहीं लोगे. आपका मूड है कि नहीं है does not determine whether you go to work. Why? Because if you don't go to work, आपकी तनख्वाह कट होती है. This is the same attitude that you have to bring to civil services exam preparation. You have to show up every day. You have to show up to study. And not just show up to study, you have to show up to study for 8 hours a day. If you are not doing this, you are not serious about your preparation. बहुत दिन ऐसा होगा जब बिल्कुल ही मन नहीं करेगा. श्योर, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई मे बी 2-3 घंटा ही पढ़ाई हुई, बट कुछ और दिन ऐसे भी आपके आएंगे जब आप 12 घंटे पढ़ाई कर रहे हो. But before all of that, it is important that you show up every day. And show up every day के साथ साथ, as a professional, you are expected to think critically. You are expected to question what is being shared with you. Even this video, if anything that I say doesn't make sense to you, don't believe it. Question me. Ask कि भाई ये किस बेसिस पे आपने बोल दिया. क्योंकि जब आप critically think करते हो, so then you get used to the idea of testing things for yourself. You get used to the idea कि भाई खुद से मेहनत करनी होती है, पकी पकाई खिचड़ी नहीं मिलती है. And if somebody is saying that ये spoon feed करके मैं मटेरियल आपको सारा दे दूंगा, ये बना बनाया सब कुछ हो जाएगा, तो as a pro you should question that कि भाई अगर सिर्फ इस मटेरियल से हो जाता तो इतने सारे लोगों का हो चुका होता, क्यों नहीं हो रहा. क्वेश्चन करना है, क्योंकि as a pro you cannot take things for granted. You have to test. You have to verify things for yourself. Coming to the next point, which is keep it simple. Keep it absolutely simple. A lot of people ask me this, that if everybody is reading the same resources, so then how am I going to differentiate myself? How am I going to get more marks than others because everybody is reading the same thing? And this is what I say to them. Keep it simple. The same books, if you read them 5 times, it is much better than reading 5 different books once. Basic things work. The difference between UPSC toppers and people who don't clear is this. Same किताबें सब कोई पढ़ रहे हैं, be it toppers in the year 2024, be it toppers in 2020, 2018, 2015, 2013, 11, 15 साल, 20 साल पहले के toppers भी आप चले जाओ, same basic चीजें वो पढ़ रहे हैं. The difference lies in how well they can use the information that they have learned. It is a lot about how much you can use what you have learned. The idea is very simple. You have to do less. ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, मल्टीपल किताबें नहीं करनी है, कम किताबें करनी है और उनको इस्तेमाल ज़्यादा करना है. If you can figure this out, you will find success. So, coming to the next point, consistency is the hard part about this exam. Why is this the hard part? Because every day you have to wake up and choose to do civil services preparation. Every day you have to choose not to snooze the alarm. Every day you have to choose कि भाई अच्छा एक और वीडियो देखनी है क्या, नहीं देखनी है. These are things that are constant. These are not things कि एक बार मैंने कर ली तो हो जाएगा. रोज उठ के वही लड़ाई है, रोज उठ के वही करना है और वही जीत हासिल होगी. If you can do this, if you can figure out consistency for yourself, you will find success. And this is even harder now in the age of social media, क्योंकि social media क्या दे रहा है हमें? It is giving us cheap hits of dopamine. एंड जब हम पढ़ाई करते हैं तो हमें मिलता है स्लो डोपामीन. We need to get used to that slow dopamine. You have to figure out consistency for yourself. There are plenty of videos out there जो आपको बताएंगी किस तरीके से consistency maintain करनी है, क्या करें ना करें, but be willing to figure it out. आपको अपने लिए ये ढूंढना है कि मेरे लिए क्या काम करता है, क्योंकि cheap hits of dopamine चलती रहेंगी, एक और वीडियो आती रहेगी, अलार्म स्नूज होता रहेगा एंड सपने अगले साल के लिए ट्रांसफर होते रहेंगे. So if you want to, do it now. Coming to the next part, you are human. If you are expecting ki every day throughout your preparation you will be happy, you will be in perfect spirits, you are going to be disappointed very soon. You will have phases of low self-esteem. You will have self-esteem issues. You will face doubt. You will face fear. You will face uncertainty कि भाई होगा कि नहीं होगा. And in the middle of all this, you have to continue to work. बहुत से लोग ये बार बार आके मुझे बोलते हैं कि आप गारंटी दे दो कि ये करना है बस एंड मैं कर लूंगा. Will you give that guarantee? No. You have to get used to the uncertainty. There is no guarantee. मतलब me or any other teacher for that matter, nobody can give you a guarantee of कि this will work. We can tell you कि हाँ, this has worked for a lot of people, but living with that uncertainty is something that you have to get used to. Living with that fear, that doubt. क्योंकि होता यही है ना, डर लगता है. In that moment we are scared of कि अच्छा अगर मैं एक और बार फेल हो गया तो. डर लगता है कि will I disappoint my parents? Will I waste their hard earned money? जब इन चीज़ों से डर लगता है तो इन चीज़ों को आपको मैनेज भी करना है, because you are human. And that's the important part over here कि you don't have to manage it all by yourself. You can seek help. Civil services exam is just an exam. If you don't clear this exam, that is not the end of the world. Life is bigger than civil services exam. Keep that in mind. Now, the next point is that you have to set yourself up for success. You have to set yourself up for success, which means that if, let's say that you're only able to study 3 hours per day right now, expecting that tomorrow I will be able to study 12 hours per day is impossible because you are not used to it. So you have to take step-wise approach. 3 घंटे को पहले 4 बनाने की कोशिश करो, 4 को 6, 6 को 8, 8 को 12. Step wise. First week में only try this. Second week, third week, fourth week. 4 हफ्ते में 3 का 12 बना सकते हो, but कल नहीं होगा. होता क्या है? We expect 110% out of ourselves, and when we do that, 1 या 2 दिन कर लोगे, तीसरे दिन 10 दिन की छुट्टी हो जाएगी. So don't do that. Set yourself up for success. Now, another very important aspect over here is that if you are surrounded by friends जो आपको 3 घंटा पढ़ाई करने पे बोलते हैं कि भाई बहुत काम कर लिया, आज चलो पार्टी करते हैं, then you'll never get to 12 hours because these people will not let you go there because they are not capable of going there and they don't want to go there, and therefore because you are with them, you will not either. You are the sum of 5 people you surround yourself with, and ये चीज़ आपको बहुत ध्यान से रखनी है. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आपकी जर्नी के सपोर्टिव हैं, उनसे ज़्यादा बात करो. जो दोस्त सीरियस हैं तैयारी में, उनसे ज़्यादा बात करो, उनके साथ बैठो, उनके साथ घूमो. ये set yourself up for success means you have to be conscious about choosing the people that you associate with. If you associate with जो defaulters and backbenchers हैं, जो पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप भी नहीं करोगे. And that is something that you have to be aware of. Automatically नहीं होगा. You will have to take those hard decisions. Which brings us to the final point, that you have to be an adult. What does that mean? What am I saying when I say you have to be an adult? सबसे important चीज आपकी जिंदगी में है आपकी health. If you have health, everything else you are willing to do. I'm willing to study for 12 hours. I'm willing to work hard. I'm willing to do everything so long as I am healthy. जब healthy नहीं होता, मेरा सर दर्द हो रहा है, मेरी कमर दर्द हो रहा है, my entire focus goes over there. Being an adult is the simple idea that just because you're preparing is not an excuse to give up on your health or your mental wellness. Just because you're preparing doesn't mean that you will ignore the people who are closest to you. Again, who are these people closest to you? Should they be close to you is a decision that you have to take. But अगर आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके सिबलिंग्स, आपके जो क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, जो आपके बिगेस्ट चीयर लीडर्स हैं, सपोर्टर्स हैं, उनसे दूर नहीं जाना है. दूर किससे जाना है? भीड़ से. यू हैव टू डिस्टेंस योर सेल्फ फ्रॉम द क्राउड, फ्रॉम द 100 डिफरेंट पीपल हु आर कमिंग हियर टू टेक योर टाइम. You have to be an adult in prioritizing your time and self. And this is what the idea is, that civil services exam expects to hire adults, because once you become an IAS officer, you are not just going to be taking care of yourself, you are going to be taking care of much bigger things. You're going to be taking care of the welfare of a district, of a state, of the entire country. So you are expected to be an adult. That's all that I wanted to share in today's video. All the best on your UPSC journey.